going on, my beautiful people? On this video, I'm going to show you two properties that I looked at. Now, these are off-market properties. These properties are in distress. Tell me what you think. Let me know if I'm crazy or if you think I'm crazy for looking at these properties to begin with. So here we go. All right, guys, we are out in Hollywood. I am looking at a Spanish-style property that we're looking to pick up. This is an off-market deal. The property is in need of repair. And like if you've been following my channel, you know that's what I look for. That way I can get a good deal. But I just want to show you the neighborhood or the street. It's a nice neighborhood in Hollywood. And then this is the property. Like I said, it's Spanish style, old Spanish style, Florida Spanish style house. Go inside. Let me just put my mask on. As you can see, roof needs repair bad. Roof is in bad condition. Let me just start again.
Exacto. Entonces ese es el... Ajá. Y después tiene una salita, digamos.
Patty, one of my team members. And we're talking to an investor.
Con esta pequeña salita que lo utilizan de...
Permiso, Patty, deja pasar por acá. Back here, it's currently being used as an efficiency because it's being rented out, but it has a bathroom. We'll go out to the back. That's a detached garage. The garage also, as you can tell, needs some work. All right, guys, the house is a 3-2, but again, the back area here has been separated from the house. It's being used as an efficiency. So I'll see. We're gonna do some more checking on the property, see what kind of offer I can make. But I like this old style house. What do you think? Comment below. All right, guys, we just finished. I did a full review of the property. Again, the property does have a lot of issues. One of the biggest issues that we noticed, and most likely the case, that may deter me from buying it, or at the very minimum, I'm gonna have to put a very low offer on that property. It's that it has cloth wiring, which I'm gonna assume is gonna be cloth wiring throughout the property. So that's a completely new electrical job. And the pipes, it's the original owner who's selling it. He's owned it for freaking decades. But he hasn't replaced the plumbing. So he's definitely going to have cast iron plumbing, which is another issue and another very large expense. And then the worst part about it is, when I looked it up, it does fall under Hollywood's historical district, which means everything needs to be run through the city. So that is probably going to be a deal breaker for me. All right, we're out in Pompano. First, let me show you this the street again. It's a very quiet neighborhood. Very quiet neighborhood. Now this property is freaking humongous. It's a big lot. But I don't know. The roof looks fairly new there, but I don't know the story behind the property yet. We just happened to find it. It just came on the market. It's an on-market deal, which this needs to be redone. It looks like it's empty. But the pool pump is working, so I don't, that's kind of weird. Oh. Wow. Definitely needs some work. Except the roof, it's kind of weird. The roof actually looks good. This thing has a lot of wood rot. I don't know why they have this green awning protector thing around it. Maybe just to block out the sun, because the property does face the sun. Now this is an issue. This is small for this big property, but it may only be one side. Say hi, Papi. Now, it is it's got one entrance. It looks like this whole property is one unit, although there's a separate entrance here, I think. There is, and there's another unit on this side. Okay, that kind of makes sense. Still have the shutters up. I mean, the lot has a lot of potential. A lot of potential. I can envision a nice gazebo back here, outdoor kitchen. The pool itself looks nice. I mean, it's and it's being maintained, which is kind of weird because the actual house looks abandoned. But anyways, let me see if I can get inside and give you a tour of the inside. All right, we're inside. Look at this ceiling. Oh, you gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right. So, fireplace. Looks like this is. Oh, it does have a basement. This is my first Florida property
It's
with a basement.
party rent.
Yeah. And the basement was a bedroom. Look at this rig here. The hell is that? This is, oh shit, this is the bathroom. It was a bathroom. Walk-in closet. But first Florida property that I've been that has a basement. This door leads out to the back. This leads out to the back, I know that. Okay, what's this? This is another bedroom. Closet. Wow. Wow. It's a big house, but holy smoke. This is huge gut job. What's this? Goes all the way around to, okay, so it's Jack and Jill bathroom with 2 bedrooms that lead to it. This would be the dining area, the kitchen. There's a bathroom outside of the kitchen. It's leaking water. They need to come check that. This is the washer and dryer, the laundry room. They have an extra refrigerator there. Another bedroom. Holy smokes. Damn, these bedrooms are humongous. With another bathroom, walk-in closet. It's tough to see because there's no light in here. There's no electricity. A shower. So down here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms down here. And if you count the one in the basement, that's 5 down there. And then this up here, I'm gonna assume is another bedroom. And this one will probably be the master because it's gonna be the biggest one in the room. It has its, what's this? Huh, closet. There's the bathroom. And another closet. And then this back here leads out to a, let's see if I can get in there. Oh, maybe it's sealed. Nope. Out to the roof. It's got a little patio area. Nice breeze up here. This is what I love about Florida. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous day out. Low 70s. Beautiful day. Now, oh yeah. Well, that's the property on the inside. So tell me what you think. Am I crazy for liking properties like this, properties that need a lot of work? What do you think? Would you dive into a project like this? If not, let me know why. Let me know, convince me how crazy I am for loving properties that look like this.